When Sergei Korolev died in January 1966, the Soviet space program lost more than just its chief designer. It lost its soul. The years that followed were a mixture of impressive achievements and painful decline. Without Korolev's iron will and visionary leadership, the once dominant Soviet lunar program quickly fell apart. The giant N-1 rocket, which was supposed to carry Soviet cosmonauts to the moon, suffered repeated catastrophic failures. All 4 unmanned test flights between 1969 and 1972 ended in explosions. The dream of beating America to the moon died with Korolev. But the Soviet space program did not collapse. Korolev's disciples and the design bureau he built, OKB-1, later renamed Energia, continued working. They shifted their focus from the moon to more practical and long-term goals. In the 1970s and 1980s, the Soviets achieved several remarkable successes. They built the world's first long-duration space stations. The Salyut series was followed by the legendary Mir space station, which was launched in 1986. Mir remained in orbit for 15 years and hosted astronauts from many countries. It became a symbol of Soviet and later Russian space endurance. Cosmonauts lived aboard Mir for months at a time, conducting important scientific research and proving that humans could survive in space for extended periods. They also continued improving the Soyuz spacecraft, which Korolev had helped develop. To this day, Soyuz remains the most reliable crewed spacecraft ever built, with an outstanding safety record. In 1988, the Soviets achieved something truly spectacular. They launched the Buran space shuttle. Unlike the American space shuttle, Buran was fully automated and could land by itself without a pilot. On its maiden flight, it performed perfectly. Many experts considered Buran technologically superior to the American shuttle. Unfortunately, due to economic problems and the collapse of the Soviet Union, Buran flew only once and was never used again.